That's trippy. It's loud. It's even got my dogs barking. Got my rabbit standing up. Check them out. That's scary shit. Holy. Okay. Sounds like, oh no. In the sky, hard to see. Really hard to see. They're fucking just all clouds too. What's that, crazy? What's that?
No one would have believed in the early years of the 21st century that our world was being watched by intelligences greater than our own. That as men busied themselves about their various concerns, they observed and studied. With infinite complacency, men went to and fro about the globe, confident of their empire over this world. Yet, across the gulf of space, intellects vast and cool and unsympathetic regarded our planet with envious eyes. And slowly and surely drew their plans against us.
child of the world.
What is that?
He's coming. We need to hurry now, Charlie.
What do you mean hurry? This is exactly something we can hurry.
Charlie, I need you to push now. You push like you never pushed before. Push.
Michael, who is coming?
Push!
Professor Jean-Pierre Saint-Marie says there is a natural explanation.
Somehow they're picking up noise from an environmental antenna that happens to be there. That is electromagnetic noise. Nice natural noise, but really, actually, it's not a noise. It's electromagnetic waves emitted from the aurora above our head or emitted from the radiation belts a bit more to the south.
Murray says it's normal and there's nothing to worry about. Whether a scientific explanation will satisfy all those people who say they heard something they can't explain is up in the air.
In Central Africa, among fortress-like cliffs on the southern edge of the Sahara Desert, live a people called the Dogon. 1,000 years ago, fleeing from warring tribes, the Dogon found refuge here. The Dogon have endured and preserved mysterious ancient knowledge. Knowledge of an invisible star and its movements through the heavens. The hum of the bull roar is believed to be the voice of the sacred star. It calls initiates to a ceremony high in the cliffs.
Strange moaning sounds around the world are skyquakes, warnings from Earth's destabilizing core. What is happening is the liquid iron core of the Earth is spinning at a different rate than the planet's rotation, and the slippage is causing a measurable migration of the Earth's magnetic field. The skyquakes are caused by harmonics deep inside the Earth, traveling from the mutating core through the layers of the planet to the surface. The sky acts as a sounding board, capturing and magnifying the sonic and electrical frequencies shot from the center of the world. The stresses building up in the core deep in the heart of the world also migrate outwards to the mantle and eventually the crust. Slipping strata within the bowels of the planet create incredible pressure. Pressure is so great that temperatures soar and dense metals flow like liquids. Water becomes a superheated plasma and interacts with layers of quartz crystals, emitting harmonics audible as a hum and also generating earth lights and skyquakes echoing across the sky. The vibrations affect the crystals and can set in motion massive earth changes, culminating with continental upheavals, massive landslides, coastal areas collapsing, and ocean beds becoming mountain ranges. Adding to the stress and fury are subterranean superstorms threatening to break out to the surface, bringing with them death and destruction on an apocalyptic scale. Those phenomena are exactly what is sometimes experienced shortly before megathrust earthquakes. Dazzling earth lights were seen in the sky before the Fukushima quake in Japan, and reports as far back as the 1906 San Francisco earthquake recorded skyquakes preceding the destruction of the Northern California city. The global skyquakes might be an early warning of the major shift occurring deep beneath our feet, titanic unstoppable forces that are paving the way towards planet-wide cataclysms eclipsing those catastrophes described in the Byzantine legends of lost Atlantis.